Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you tired of messy seats and stubborn dirt lurking in every corner? In 2025, we're seeing some of the most powerful, compact, and high-tech car vacuum cleaners yet. Today, we'll explore the best car vacuum cleaners on the market that'll make your vehicle sparkle like new. Stay tuned to find out which one's perfect for you and your car. Let's dive in. Number 1. Shark WANDVAC. Tackle everyday messes effortlessly with the Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner WV20UK, your ultimate cleaning companion for quick, powerful cleanups. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, this ultra-lightweight vacuum delivers impressive suction in a sleek, modern design that's as stylish as it is functional. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or dust in tight spaces, the Shark WV20UK makes it easy with its precision nozzle, one-touch emptying system, and convenient charging dock that keeps it ready to go at all times. Perfect for busy homes, cars, and quick spot cleans, this cordless handheld vacuum transforms the way you clean. Grab yours today and experience the power of Shark in the palm of your hand. Number 2. TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your car, home, and workspace effortlessly clean with the TEMOLA Handheld Vacuum Cordless, a lightweight powerhouse delivering 12,000 pascals suction from its brushless motor. Weighing just 1.07 pounds, approximately 0.5 kilograms, it's compact enough to reach tight spots, but strong enough to handle pet hair, crumbs, and dust in seconds. The cordless design with fast USB-C charging gets you 20+ minutes of runtime after just 3-4 hours, perfect for quick touch-ups without being tethered to a wall. It comes with a crevice nozzle, dust brush, a washable stainless HEPA filter, plus a spare, and a handy drawstring pouch to keep everything neat. Rated 4.2/4.4 across UK and US listings, and praised for its high-powered cleaning in a tiny form. Don't settle for crumbs. Grab the TEMOLA handheld vacuum and experience fast, fuss-free suction that's ready whenever you are. Number 3. Bissell SpotClean Cordless. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with the Bissell SpotClean Cordless 3681E, your go-to solution for quick, deep cleaning anytime, anywhere. With powerful spray, scrub, and suction action, it easily lifts messes from carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. Its cordless design and 35-minute runtime offer complete freedom of movement without hunting for sockets. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry and store, making it perfect for busy homes and pet owners. The self-cleaning Hydro Rinse tool keeps maintenance hassle-free. With a 2-year warranty and Bissell's trusted quality, it's more than a cleaner, it's peace of mind. Ready to tackle life's messes? This is the one. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster. Keep your car spotless with the BLACK+DECKER PD1200AV Flexi Dustbuster, designed for powerful, on-the-go cleaning. Its 12-volt adapter plugs straight into your car, with a 5-meter cable for effortless reach. The flexible hose and included tools tackle tight spaces, seats, and floor mats with ease. Cyclonic action and triple filtration ensure strong, consistent suction every time. The transparent dust bowl lets you see when it's full. Easy to empty and clean. Compact and lightweight, it comes with a storage bag for neat stowing. Perfect for busy drivers who want a clean car without the hassle. Number 5. Fanttik Slim V8. Experience next-level cleaning with the Fanttik V8 Apex Cordless Mini Vacuum. Small in size, big on power. With an impressive 19,000 pascal suction and 80,000 revolutions per minute motor, it tackles dirt, hair, and crumbs with ease. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it perfect for cars, desks, or tight spaces. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning with fast USB-C charging. Switch between vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping with 10 handy attachments. HEPA filtration captures 96% of dust for cleaner air in every use. This is the ultimate grab-and-go vacuum for your modern lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.